All right, if you're a creator or an online entrepreneur, you're going to want to lean in for this. We're about to lay out the exact blueprint for the most profitable digital products to sell in 2026. Let's just dive right in.
So let's kick things off with the one number that honestly changes the entire game: 70 to 95%. Yeah, that is the kind of profit margin we're talking about with digital products. It's a staggering figure, and it's really the single biggest reason this whole business model is so incredibly powerful.
And this quote, it just nails why those margins are such a big deal. It makes selling digital products, as the source material points out, one of the most attractive business models out there, period. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or seasoned pro, the opportunity here is just massive. And make no mistake, we are living in a digital gold rush. I mean, the economy is evolving faster than ever, right? Markets for things like online learning and AI tools are just exploding. In this new landscape, digital products aren't just surviving, they are absolutely dominating. So, how is this all possible? What's the engine behind those huge profit margins? Well, it all comes down to this core idea, the create once, sell forever model. This is the fundamental concept that makes it all work. So, what does that actually look like? Okay, this slide just says it all. On one side, you've got digital products. No inventory to store, no boxes to ship, no manufacturing costs at all. And then on the other side, physical products, with all the headaches of logistics, storage, and all that stuff. That huge difference in overhead is exactly what unlocks those insane 70 to 95% margins. And that low overhead leads to two amazing benefits: passive income and infinite scalability. Think about it. You create something once and it can sell thousands of times over, literally while you sleep. It is the perfect model if you're looking to grow your income, not your to-do list or your team. So the opportunity is crystal clear, but the big question is, what should you actually sell? Well, let's get to the good stuff. Here is your blueprint, the top 5 most profitable digital products for 2026.
Coming in hot at number 1, we have online courses. This category has been a powerhouse for a while, and it remains one of the absolute highest earning digital assets you can possibly create. The key here is high perceived value. People will happily pay a premium. We're talking anywhere from $100 to $500 to learn a skill that can change their career or life. And with niches like AI and digital marketing just surging, courses are a fantastic way to cash in on your expertise. Okay, next up at number 2, PLR products. Now, that stands for private label rights, and you should really think of it as a powerful shortcut for creators who just want to get to market like yesterday. With PLR, you're basically buying the rights to rebrand and sell stuff that's already been made. And that's why the margins can rocket up past 95%. It's super beginner-friendly because you get to skip the whole creation process. Niches like wellness and self-improvement are just massive here. At number 3, we've got an old favorite that's more popular than ever: digital templates and planners. You know, the demand for these kinds of organizational tools is just constant, and it keeps growing. Seriously, the boom in tablet planning, all thanks to apps like GoodNotes and Notion, has just fueled this huge market. These things sell because, let's face it, people always need help getting organized. And with margins hitting up to 90%, it's a really attractive space to be in. All right, let's move on to number 4, eBooks and digital guides. Now, if you're new to this whole world, this is probably one of the easiest and most direct ways to get started. The barrier to entry here is just incredibly low. You don't need to be a tech genius to write a guide. It's the perfect way to start building trust with an audience, establish yourself as an authority, and make some money from your knowledge without a huge upfront effort. And finally, our 5th and definitely the fastest growing category on the list: AI tools and prompt packs. This niche isn't just growing, it is absolutely exploding right now. So why is it growing so fast? It's simple. These tools save other creators their most valuable asset: time. In today's creator economy, efficiency is everything. Things like prompt packs and automation templates offer so much value, and you can see that reflected in their incredible 80 to 95% profit margins. Okay, let's just pause and look at the whole landscape together. This table lays it all out. You can see the trade-offs, right? Online courses command that premium price. Meanwhile, PLR and AI tools offer those insane margins on products that you can sell in high volume. The point is, every single one of these is a winning path. Look, knowing what to sell is only half the battle. Now we need to pivot to the how.
So let's walk through a simple but really powerful playbook for actually selling these products and being successful.
All right, here's your 5-step playbook. First off, bundle your products. Don't just sell one planner, sell it with a matching ebook. That instantly bumps up how much people spend. Second, add personalization so you can charge a bit more. Third, and listen, this one is a non-negotiable, build an email list. It's your direct line to customers. Fourth, get good at short-form video. Show people the after picture on TikTok and Reels. And finally, use PLR as a secret weapon to test out new ideas and scale your business fast.
Okay, so to take that first step, you need to know which waves are coming. Let's wrap this all up by looking at the key trends that are really going to shape this entire market in 2026. There are 4 huge trends to watch. AI integration is a total game changer. The growth of iPad planning, it's just getting started. The demand for anything related to wellness and productivity is stronger than ever. And yeah, PLR is still the easiest and fastest way for a beginner to get in the game. If you focus here, you'll find the biggest opportunities. So what's the bottom line? You have the blueprint now. You've seen the top products, you've got the strategies, and you know the trends. The only question left is the one right here on your screen. What is the one digital product you could start building this week? Thanks for tuning in.